Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Scorpio for the second week of the August. So before starting the reading, those who are interested in personal readings, you guys can contact me through my email ID or through my website, which is already there in the description. Okay. So Scorpio, in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the reading pulling some final advice. Scorpio. In the recent past, we have Nine of Cups, Queen of Wands, the Hierophant. In the present situation, we have the Death, Seven of Swords, the Temperance. In the recent future, we have Nine of Wands, Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles. The challenge for the week, Scorpio, is the Ten of Pentacles. Many of you, I do feel challenge for the week here is to, many of you are working through your career, working through your money, just concentrated on yourself in order to build up your career, in order to gain something in your life. You guys are, many of you are working towards abundance of money, could be abundance of love, could be for some of you, but I do feel this is for many of you related to money. Yeah, abundance of money. Many of us actually moving towards it. That's what I see here. I'm going to clarify. In the recent past, there's a Nine of Cups, Queen of Wands, Hierophant. You could be dealing with the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Many of you were just concentrated, focused on your self-growth, focused on your self-love. Many of you were kind of selfish or just focused on yourself. Something to deal with the Hierophant, the commitment with this person. I'm going to clarify later. In the present, there is the Death, there is the Seven of Swords, Temperance. Many of you are actually feeling like you are dealing with a person who is not being honest in a relationship, or could be a friendship, could be a business partner for many of you who is not being honest or who is not letting you to do your thing. Maybe kind of a blocking. This person is blocking you the way. Many of I do see you guys are just disconnecting from this person in the present situation. After analyzing, it's like you feel it's a meant to be. The disconnection from this person is like meant to be, because this person is not letting you to further grow in your life. That's what I see here. In the recent future, there is Nine of Wands, Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles. Someone is coming your way, offering something very good. Here could be your boss for many of you, could be an elderly person. Whoever this is coming your way in the second week of the August, Scorpio, offering you something big, something stable connection, could be a stable relationship, could be coming your way, a stable career opportunity could be coming your way, Scorpio. I do feel the Nine of Wands energy in the recent future is your energy. You are being so hurt, you are like not accepting, or you're being so hurt, you're being so doubtful about this person in the recent future. Okay, I'm going to clarify first the challenge of the week, the Ten of Pentacles. There is a new abundance coming your way, abundance of happiness, abundance of money for some of you. I'm going to clarify the Ten of Pentacles here. Ten of Pentacles is clarified by the Two of Cups, the Sun. The Judgment is so good reading for Scorpios. You're getting together to emotionally connecting towards a person. It's like you guys are getting into a relationship with someone who is bringing you abundance of happiness. Okay, you Scorpios, you have to be very careful during the second week of the August, because many of you are actually meeting your soulmate connection. It's like this person is ready to offer you the happiness, ready to warm you up when you're cold, ready to be there for you. It's like such type of connection is coming your way, Scorpio. After many of you are actually realizing it. Many of you, I don't feel you are missing out an opportunity with this person. Many of you are actually realizing this person is actually giving you abundance of happiness. It's like what you feel when your career is so secure, when your job is so secure, we do feel happy, right? Yeah, that's what happening for many of you Scorpios in the second week of the August. In the recent past, there's a Nine of Cups, the Queen of Wands, a Hierophant. I'm going to clarify the Queen of Wands in the recent past. What was this person up to? Could be dealing with a Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in the recent past. Queen of Wands is clarified by the Four of Cups, King of Cups, Six of Cups. This person was from the past, okay? This happened in the past, but with this person you had many memories, Scorpios, okay? This person was there offering you love, okay? Many of you didn't notice this person in the recent past. I do feel you missed an opportunity with this person in the recent past, because many of you were only concentrated in yourself. Many of you were just concentrated in your career. Many of you were just concentrated growing up yourself, just focused on yourself. There was a lot of work happening inside of yours, something to deal with the commitment. I do feel there's a miss of opportunity. This person, whoever this was, actually offering you an very potential emotional connection. Many of you, I do feel you missed this person in the recent past. I'm going to clarify the Hierophant, the missed opportunity of getting committed. I do feel that. Hierophant is clarified the Ace of Swords, King of Pentacles, the Lovers. Yes, you missed an opportunity with this person. You actually rejected this person in the past. This person was actually giving you a lot of potential. This person was offering you a lot of potential. Could be a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. There was a lot of stability in that person, a lot of very strong connection. Many of you, could be you rejected with intention in the past. Maybe you just wanted to concentrate on yourself. That's what I see here. Whatever it is, you missed a big opportunity in the recent past. The clarity was missing in the recent past, okay? You missed it. I do feel like that. In the present, there is a Death, there is a Seven of Swords, Temperance. Many of you are actually disconnecting from a person in the present situation. I'm going to clarify the Death here. This is you, Scorpio. I do feel you're the one disconnecting from this person in the present situation. The Death is clarified by the Empress, Two of Wands, the Devil. You are actually detaching from a person in the present situation who is no longer serving you. Or you do feel you guys are addicted to each other, or that person is being toxic to you, or that person is not being honest. This person is actually blocking you out towards your growth. Could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You guys are disconnecting from this person in the present situation because this person is actually blocking you out in order to move into your career, or you couldn't move further in your life, or it's like a restricting you. This person is actually restricting you, just not letting you to do anything, taking control of you. Could be a Capricorn you are dealing with. You're separating from this person, deciding to separate. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Swords here in the present situation. You do feel you have to disconnect from this person. Yeah, why is this person acting like this? Like a seven, being not honest, lying to you. There's a lot of betrayal happening for many of you in the present. Seven of Swords is clarified with the Eight of Wands, Eight of Cups, Three of Wands. Yes, this person is having some communication for many of you in the present situation. You guys are actually speaking to each other, actually getting to know each other, but still many of you, your goals, their goals are not aligned together. There's many of the concepts you are not agreeing with each other. There's a lot of disagreement, there's a lot of fight maybe happening in your just a conversation. I do see you guys are stepping out from this connection in the present situation because you're just focusing in your future. Many of you are actually waiting for an opportunity in the future in order to just focus here. Yeah, this is like a meant to be. You are like balancing the situation in the present situation, just moving away from this person, actually only concentrating in your future, kind of balancing your life. It's like, I don't want any toxicity. It's like removing all the poison things from the food and just consuming what is meant for us, just consuming what is healthier for us. That's what happening for you, Scorpio. That's what you're doing, filtering out everything, just removing what is not needed and just consuming what you just needed. That's what you're doing. In the recent future, there's a Nine of Wands, a Queen of Pentacles, there's a King of Pentacles. There's a person coming your way offering something big. I'm going to clarify what is this. Could be in the near future Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, could be that kind of person. But here, this person is actually offering you something good. I do feel that. King of Pentacles is clarified with the Five of Swords, the Hermit, Page of Pentacles. Okay, this person is actually offering you, could be a career related option. Whatever it is, this person is actually here to solve a conflict situation. Whatever happened in the past, this person coming in the near future in order to solve the conflict or the fighting situation, whatever the fight happened between you and the other person in the past. This person is here in order to actually compromise with you, in order to give some clarity, get some clarity in the situation. Yes, this person is here to compromise. Many of you, I do feel you're isolating from this person in order to get some clarity. This person is again asking you one more opportunity. Hey Scorpio, whatever happened in the past, I just want to compromise with it. I was too harsh towards you. Maybe I do want to have one more chance. Many of you are already wounded. It's like you've been already gave up with this person in the recent future. I'm going to clarify the 9 of Wands in the near future. Many of you are actually gave up with this person in the future. 9 of Wands is clarified with the 8 of Swords, the Emperor, the Star. Yes, this person is offering you something big. You already know it, but you're kind of resisting yourself in order to take some action towards this person. You're just restricting yourself. You're not at all taking any decision towards this person. That's what I see here. You're feeling like you're so stuck in your head. There's a lot of confusion you already have about this person in the present situation, which is not letting you to take any decision about this person. Many of you do know this person is someone with whom I can be happy, with whom there is a lot of stability, or with whom I can rely on. Many of you know this in the present situation, in the recent future, but there's a lot of confusion. Many of you are actually healing. There was a lot of pain this person gave you when they left you behind. Many of you still going on a healing process. There's a still pain in your heart. You're kind of guarding up from this person. You're like, I gave up, just don't come to me, just don't come to me. Maybe you are not trusting this person. For whatever, you still do feel that this person is here again to bring some conflict in your life. Maybe that's what happening for many of you in the present situation with this person. You're not ready to realize why this person is here. There's a challenge for the week. There's a big abundance here coming your way, but you have to realize there's a judgment together attached with the challenge card. Means you have to do something in order to realize the truth, in order to get to know, in order to come to a conclusion. You have to know the detailed version of this person. Okay, many of you, there's a missed opportunity I do feel here. The advice for Scorpio is work through your fears. Okay, you do have some fears when it comes to a relationship. You do have some beliefs when it comes to a relationship with a person. You do feel some uncomfortable or some negativity you do have when it comes to relationship, right? So definitely you have to overcome it in order to actually move on with this person. That's what I see here for you, Scorpio. That is the advice here I have for you. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.